Hi friends, it's Ash. Thank you for spending this time with me. Today we have another painting, and I'm trying to use up some of the paints that I have left over from the previous paintings that I've done. So I have a lot of blue. I'm laying down a white background, and that is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I'm using the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Blue, and I've added a couple of drops of that blue to a cupful of the white to give it a light blue color. And I'm also using a navy blue from Apple Barrel, and I believe I used a little bit of hot pink, but it kind of got lost in the blue because I only used a little bit of it. So I'm going to lay those colors down across the bottom. Then I'm going to use a blow dryer to blow out the colors. I'm also going to take a mini blow dryer and kind of blow out the edges to give it more of a wispy feeling and to get some of that lacing to come through. All of my colors are mixed with floetrol, and I use a 2-to-1 ratio, so I have about 100 grams of paint and about 200 grams of the floetrol. I really like how this painting turned out, and I hope you did too. Remember, if no one's told you yet today, you're important, your life has value, and you can reach your goals. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.